Hello everyone, my name is Efos. Today I'm going to show you how to plot psychological level. Okay, also how they work. I'll teach you how they work. Now, I'll first take this horizontal line. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to 4 hours time frame. So from there, that is where we begin plot our psychological level. Sorry, to start plotting our psychological level. So that is first. So plus the second level. Okay, this is what I will tell you. The distance between one psychological level to another psychological level is 5 pips. Okay, so as you can see, 5 pips. I'm just going to adjust. Yeah, so I just adjust my chart to make sure I plotted it well. So for you to know, just click this ruler, then put it on one psychological level, and just measure it to make sure that it's around 50 pips. Okay, just very simple. I just plot more so that I will show you how it works. So just very simple how to plot it. So you plot, so you will raise, as you can see, 50,000. Then you plot again. So the distance will only be 50 pips. Okay, so I plot more up. Okay, so that I can show you how it works and how you can use it to trade. Okay, yes, I plot more. Let me ask one more so that still showing you how they work. Okay, sorry. So what are you going to do? Just go to 15-minute time frame where you can execute your trade. So what it's going to do is you're going to find out what price are doing at a psychological level. So as you can see, you see a price always react when they get to psychological level. See the reaction here. Okay, if you see the reaction here, psychological level, see another reaction here. So you can see another reaction here, another reaction here. Psychological level is just like a support and resistance. Okay, so if you plot the support and resistance, you plot the psychological level and price. You will see price reacting whenever they get to that psychological level, which can enable you to take your trade. Okay, let's see if we can get. Um, you see, when you get to psychology, react went down. So let's see if we can get more. Okay, so you can see here, there was a reaction here, there's a reaction here. So there was a reaction here too. Let's see. See, there was a reaction here. Whenever he get to psychological line, there must be reaction. Okay, there's a reaction here as well. So you can see there's a reaction here. Okay, you can see here, there's a reaction here. It's together. So there's a reaction. So that's how it works. So whenever price get to certain psychological line, there must be reaction. So that is how to put it. Just very simple. So what will happen is that in my next video I will teach you how I use it to trade. So I'll teach you how I use it to take trade. So wait for that video. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. It's a very short video, so I just want to show you how to plot it and how they work. Okay, so I will show you exactly how I use it to take my trade. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up if you like the video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in another time. Bye bye.